what's going on, y'all? So we finally got some real snow, and I want to test out the 4x4 and how I drive in the snow and everything. So I got it in 4 automatic right now, and I'm gonna give it some gas. And it's moving fairly well inside the snow. You get a little bit of spin though, but it finally actually gained traction after a little bit of spinning. But for the most part, it drives fairly well inside the snow. Yep, it's supposed to snow all night, all the way up into tomorrow morning. And I wish I had a V8, honestly, to make some extra little side hustle money by having a plow. But that's all good. I'm gonna go out and go shovel some snow, make some extra little money. Nothing wrong with a little hustle, y'all. You to turn your blinker on if you're gonna turn, but get out my way. All right, we finna go into this turn, y'all. Let's see. Do we spin? Yep, spin a little bit, connect it back straight, give it some gas. Drive work good. Sucks for you, buddy, to be in that Mustang. I'll help you. If you need help, I'll push you. Bypass you, sir.